everyone, how's it going? Today I'm going to show you guys how to send money online with MoneyGram. So at first you have to head over to your Google and search for MoneyGram send money online, and then you want to click on the first link that comes up and the website will load up. So what you need to do is right over here, send money. You need to choose, make sure you're under the send money tab. Choose what country you want to send to. Let's say we're sending to Australia, and let it load, and then you can choose the send amount and the receive amount, and the highest you can send is 5,000. You can also see the conversion rate over here. So let's say we want to send 50, right? 50 USD. So this will automatically convert it into AUD, and you want to click on get started. It will ask you to put in your details, and there you go. This is how you can do it. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this, and I'll see you guys in the next one.